Known as a brand that makes professional quality tools, Makita is one of the names that pops up in a professional's mind when it comes to buying the right tools for their project. The tools used to cost a lot, but with the addition of the CXT lineup, Makita has entered a more affordable segment. The CXT lineup is a great way to experience the Makita quality without hurting your wallet, and if you're on the market for an affordable set of basic tools for repairs or to get your dream DIY project up and running, you just cannot ignore it. But if you're a professional who needs serious power and tools that can withstand worksite abuse, you may want to go with the LXT line instead. And also, if you're looking to have a diverse tool collection with many tools sharing the same battery, you'll want to skip the CXT lineup and stick with the versatile LXT family of tools. That's not to say the CXT lineup is not up to the mark. The tools in the CXT lineup are great tools that offer decent performance at a very affordable price. They're also small and lightweight, which is perfect for anyone who has trouble with heavier tools. But they just don't offer the same level of performance that you get with the LXT lineup, and there are far fewer options available in the CXT family. Besides being a CXT lineup for average consumers and the LXT for professionals, what actually sets them apart? Let's have a quick overview of what each lineup has to offer. First up, the CXT lineup. The CXT line is Makita's 12-volt cordless power tool family. There are over 30 tools in the lineup, all of which use the same 12-volt lithium-ion battery packs. For most, the most appealing feature of the CXT line is the smaller size of the tools. They're compact and easy to hold. Plus, they tend to weigh quite a bit less than their cousins in the LXT lineup. Tools from the CXT line are the perfect choice for anyone who has a difficult time holding and using larger, heavier power tools. The other really attractive thing about the CXT line is how affordable these tools are compared to the members of the LXT family. Makita tools aren't known for being cheap, but the CXT family offers some of the most affordable options available from Makita. In the CXT 12-volt lineup, you won't find multiple options of impact drivers to pick from. You'll get fewer choices regarding each tool, and there are fewer members in the CXT family total. If you want to keep expanding your tool collection past the basics, then the CXT family might not provide all the tools you want to add in the future. The other drawback of the CXT family is that they're not anywhere near as powerful as their LXT counterparts. Members of the CXT lineup use a 12-volt battery pack that just cannot power the tools the same as the 18-volt batteries in the LXT line. Now let's talk about the LXT lineup. The LXT line of cordless power tools is the bread and butter of the Makita family. It's a diverse range of tools that many professionals trust to handle the difficult jobs daily. If you're looking for options, look no further than the LXT line of tools from Makita. There are more than 275 tools in this family, and they all use the same 18-volt LXT batteries. Even the X2 line, offering 36 volts for the largest and most powerful tools, is powered by using two of these 18-volt LXT batteries. If you want to expand your tool collection in the future, the LXT line offers an outrageous number of options, including tools like lawnmowers and leaf blowers. But if you want a particular type of tool, you can usually find several different models within the LXT lineup. Each model will offer different features and performance at a different price point, giving you many options to pick precisely the tool you need. One of the biggest advantages of tools in the LXT line is that they're more powerful thanks to the 18-volt battery packs that LXT tools use. Some tools from the LXT family are twice as powerful as the equivalent tool from the CXT line. Though you can't have everything, and if you want the power and versatility provided by the LXT line, you're going to have to give up some size and weight. Tools from the LXT family tend to be heavier and bulkier than the streamlined relatives from the CXT line. Now, it's pretty clear what each lineup has to offer, and the major differences mainly depend on the performance, price, size, and versatility. So in conclusion, there's no definitive answer to which of these tools lineups is superior. It depends on what you need. If you're looking for small, compact tools for use around the home or the hobbyist or DIY work, go with the CXT line. For powerful tools that are suitable for professional work, you'll want to stick with the LXT tools. The CXT family is the better choice if you're looking for the most affordable options, but the LXT lineup offers far more versatility with more than 275 tools sharing the same batteries. So that was all about Makita CXT versus LXT lineup. Which one are you going to get? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.